King news, my lovely, wonderful people. An APC chieftain, Yusuf Sani, told the court that Tinubu should let the judge decide based on evidence in front of them, and he should stop interjecting or trying to intimidate. I mean, talking about an APC chieftain, still very much in APC, not yesterday, today, now, as we speak. So this is what is happening, going on as you and I can see. So this is what is happening now. The court system, the court proceedings are on. Everybody's watching to see how things play out. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. APC chieftain and former member of the Katsina State House of Assembly, Yusuf Shehu, has urged the judiciary hearing election petition to remain and to retain objectivity and make decision based purely on the information presented without bias. Shehu vehemently disagrees with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's claim that the country would descend into anarchy or disorder if his election were declared if his election were declared null and void based on court decision. If the election were declared void because he did not score or receive 25% of the Federal Capital Territory vote, in an interview with The Sun, he stressed the need of giving the court the freedom to decide cases before election tribunal on its own. Shehu disagrees, saying President Tinubu, who has been in politics for a while and upheld the value of justice, democracy, and the rule of law, shouldn't have made such a remark and should know better. Obviously, I can't agree with him. That's Tinubu on this matter and his claim that there will be anarchy and disorderliness if the election is void or if it's removed. Because for a man of his caliber who has been in politics and believes so strongly in the rule of law and justice, democracy, such a statement shouldn't occur at all. He needs to let the judge decide based on the evidences in front of them. I reject that notion and think the judiciary should have the freedom to determine election tribunal on its own. Shehu responded to claim that judges at the Presidential Election Petition Tribunal are being pressured to rule in the favor of APC by saying he does not believe the rumors and still have faith in the legal system. He counseled the judge to uphold the moral principles, act honorably, and pay attention to the document guidelines and work with them. So that's an APC chieftain. Not everybody is bad, to be quite sincere and honest. Not everybody believes a lie or lives in a bubble. It does not matter who it suits or who it favors. Shehu, you have spoken well and should be commended. Okay, you should be commended for speaking well. What I mean by that is not saying Tinubu will be removed, blah, 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 blah. That's not the point. He said that he believes strongly that the judges should be allowed, given the opportunity to decide the case, not in favor of Tinubu, not in favor of Atiku, not in favor of Obi, but follow the guidelines, look at the principles, look at the evidences before it. With informed decision, with all the information, make an informed decision that will channel and propel the cause of justice rather than suiting a man. Let it be what the Constitution, what the justice system of the nation says. If we can act and walk in such a way, guess what? We have just begun the implementation of true justice. That's how we roll. As a nation, as a people, the opportunity. So this is exactly what is going on and why we cannot afford to allow the same thing over and over again to be, okay, the center of what happens to us. What's going on here? And why are we quiet, watching as though that's the end of life? No, it isn't. No, it isn't. Don't allow any Tom, Dick, and Harry come and just inflict you with pains and tell you, oh, that's it, it's all done, blah, 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 blah. We don't take that. We don't accept it. We move. We ensure the right things are done so that at the end of the day, as a nation, as a people, we can truly make effective decisions that affect us all positively. The opportunity of what we need. So this is exactly what is happening today. If there's anything called truth, honesty, and justice, this is just the right word to say. It's just like putting the square pegs in the square hole. Okay? Putting the round pegs in the round hole, making sure that we are doing what is right, what is needed, changing the course of the game altogether. It's very good. Very, very good that these things are happening. It is honestly a sincere, fantastic position. So what do we do? And why should we allow the same thing that has not moved us forward to continue? So if there's anything that we are going to take from this is ensuring, okay, that judges are allowed to judge and to take decision freely without being opposed, without being pressured by not by Tinubu or anyone for that matter, and allowed to freely decide on cases as the case may be, so that at the end of the day, every single person, together we can make and we can work in such a way that the nation will have all the opportunity we need to have to bring Nigeria to the right place. This is the time we have. This is it. If there is any time that we should move forward and make real progress, we have no better time. We are in the best moment for it. So you see, the time to advance and to ensure we do the right thing, that time is now. That time is now. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember, you have a voice. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. And from us, it's bye for now.